Hello everyone, this is Saurabh and welcome to my new video. Today I am showing you how to protect sensitive input variables in Terraform. So basically there are some variables like some sensitive data which we cannot store in variable.tf file. So how to protect this? I am showing this in this video. But before that, please subscribe my channel and keep updated with my latest videos. Okay. So just I'm taking the example of where I will create a VPC subnet and RDS in AWS. So basically my video is focused on how to protect sensitive data from input variables. But this video is also handy for you how to create a RDS in AWS. So this is the main file. Here you can see that provider is AWS. Then availability zone VPC. I am defining VPC. In this video, I am creating one web server and one DB server. So I have defined a security group for web server, security group for load balancer. Then ingress and egress rules. This is the EC2 stands, but I am not focusing on this. So just go to the bottom. See. AWS DB stand. This will create a stand database in RDS. So I'm just taking a look at it, stores file, Indian MySQL, stand type, and I'm giving you just focus on these two lines, that is username and password. So I have written the username admin and password in no secure password. So basically this password is visible. So we should not keep these type of sensitive data in Terraform files. Now see the variables.tf. Here I have defined all the variables, like in which region it will create, AWS region, US East 1, CIDR for VPC, and the private subnet and public subnet CIDR. How many instances per subnet will be created, instance type, everything. So for this, what we will do, we will basically input variables of the database administrator username and password in variables.tf. Open variables.tf. Go to the bottom. Here type variable just give a description. Type string. Now there is one thing you have to add that is sensitive equal to true. Now close this. Similar DB password. Copy and just edit it. I did copy and paste, that's why I am editing it. Now just you have declared the variables db username and db password. Save and exit. Now open main.tf. Go to the bottom and here you have defined username, admin and password. So you have to give here variables. Now save and exit. Now you have seen that you have declared the variables db username and db password in variable.tf, but you have not mentioned anywhere what should be the username and what will be the password. So basically what we will do, we will provide it runtime. When we do Terraform apply, then at that time we will provide the username and password. There are two ways. Either you have defined in separate tf_was.file, and you can also provide it at runtime. It will prompt for username and password and you can enter, but that will be basically every time you have to provide this, so that is not feasible. So what we will do, we will create a file secret.tf_was. But now see that Terraform apply hyphen var hyphen file equal to secret.tf_was. So in that way you can provide the tf_var file at runtime. So when you run this command, Terraform will pick those variables from tf_var file which are sensitive and defined there. So I am not running the Terraform apply here, because I am just showing you how to protect your input variable. Now when you run the Terraform apply command, all the sensitive variable and everything, basically what you have done, what you have configured in your remote cloud, everything is stored in tf state file. Terraform TF state file. So basically, you are providing this at runtime to keep separate out your sensitive data from the variable TF, but it will still be in TF state file. And when you create this, TF state file will be created locally. So what you have to do, you have to provide a remote backend, either in S3 or whatever you cloud you are using. You have to provide a remote backend where you can basically where you can encrypt the tf.state file also. Now, when you apply it, everything will be created, and when you destroy, Terraform destroy, at that time it will also, you have to provide this variable -var -file equal to secret.tf4 file. This data, this sensitive data, at that time you have also need to provide. Now I am showing you how to remove passwords from checking in version control. So just select the password and create another file. Just keep the name info.txt, whatever name you want to give, you can provide, and copy and paste here. Save and exit. Now you have to run this command, Terra help. So basically for this you need to install Terra help. Using Terra help, you can encrypt the. So after installation of Terra help, you have to create a simple key using any method. Yeah, even you can create it online. Just provide simple key and the file name. So Terraform, Terra help, encrypt, simple key, then provide the key, then -file and file name where you have defined the password. Just run this command. Now you have seen that it is one backup file is created. Now you can see that encrypted password. So you need to just copy and paste here. Here you can paste. So in that way you have encrypted the password, and after that you can check into the version control. But make sure when you run the Terraform apply, at that time you have to decrypt the password with using the same key. So that's all for this video, which shows how to protect input variables in Terraform. Now please subscribe my channel and keep updated with my latest videos. Thank you.